Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Play Store something went wrong, could not complete your purchase problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting or open on phone setting. Click on app management. Click on app list. Scroll down. Click on Play Store. Click on disable option. Tap on disable app. Tap on disable app. Tap on enable. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.